And now our camera will get a script. Let's create it. We got animations, resources. Let's just create a new folder. Let's call it, yeah, it's just for general scripts. And here, create a new C# script. Call it CameraController. Great. And in CameraController, we are going to... Now, in CameraController, you don't need update and start. Just add this script. And then we will do one thing. To apply or to change the background, like when we are in dark mode, we're going to pass a string separated by a comma. And this is a little bit weird, but in C# you're splitting with these two parameters, and then after we have splitted our string, we're passing it to a float and then divided by 255. That's because the color class in C# is taking values from 0.0 to 1.0. So because of that, 128 divided by 250 will result in 0.5, and that's the color we want, so in this case a gray one. Okay, and then it's gonna get applied, and if you have added this script to your camera, you can call your camera by GameObject, component, camera, and then call set the clear flags to solid color, and then the background color to this color, which we already parsed from Flutter. Yes, save the script, go back to Unity, let it reload, and after that add the script to the camera. If it's there, perfect, everything's done here in Unity. And double check it in your prefab. Yes, that's the thing. Add to our main camera. Perfect. Model ascot, driving, and rotate. Great. Now that we already prepared the changing of the background color, now we're going back and build our project. Great. Now that our model is exported again, don't forget, execute this command. And after your project is transformed, don't forget the build types, profile, and one more thing. In Bitgradle, we've set up this NDK version. Maybe in your case you don't need it, but in our case we need this. And yeah, great, perfect. Good, now we are good to go. Let's connect the Android device. And a very important note in here: You need a physical device for that, because in emulators and simulators it doesn't work, and yeah, it should be a real device. Pixel 2 selected, and then let's give it a try. Also, let's open the view. Great. Now we can also prepare our action button to change the brightness, or in here change the background color. Let's create an icon button with an icon. It's icons brightness. Let's take this one, and also const. And if we change the brightness, oh yeah, one more thing, let's have a look if our tires are working. This looks great. Now that's a driving animation. Perfect. Alright. Good. And then let's go in here and set the state. Background color. Let's say if background color equals colors white, then background color equals colors black. Let's go with black. Else background color will be white. Alright, good. If we change this, our scaffold is going to change. You can't see any button. That's because we changed a little bit the styling in here. Let's say colors. Well, let's actually create contrast color equals colors black. And let's do this in here. Contrast color. Perfect. And it should be const now. If we have did this, then it's gonna be colors white, colors black, 54. Good. Now hard reload. Perfect. And now if we press this button, you can see these colors are changing, but the rest is not. And one more thing, let's create here the contrast color, so model S, and we need to set the color, background color. No, card is also changing. This is a quick and dirty solution, but we just wanted to change the Unity color, right? Okay, good. Now, what are we what are we going to do? We need to call the Unity view controller, send a message to a game object, main camera, right? Good. Next one, our method name. Let's go back to the scripts. CameraController method name was set background color. Yeah, and our message will be we need all colors in RGB. So we can call let's prepare the color or the string for the color. Color string equals color background color actually. Great. Red. And color blue and green. Great. Let's copy this. Perfect. Actually, let's do this. And then we can do it like that. A little bit better. Great. Perfect. Now he's changing also the background color. Yeah, there's a little delay, but that's okay. We can do, or we can try one more thing. Before he's going to change the actual state, let's change the state in here. Whoop. Okay, why not? Great. Now let's do one thing. Future delight, const duration. Let's say milliseconds 250. And there we will call set state. Now Unity is faster. Let's play around with 100 milliseconds. Yeah, better. Wait. Why are... Okay. Good, not bad. 50 milliseconds. Great. So, if you want that the background is changing immediately, synchronously with the background in Flutter, just add future delay 50 milliseconds and then set the state. Great. Perfect. Alright. I hope you liked the session and see you next time with the next video in Flutter Next Level. I hope we will then have a look in some more details in the Cybertruck and have a good day. And